Alright everyone, I wanted to create this short video on how to complete the Quizlet assignment for my courses as well as get the most out of your Quizlet glossaries. So here you can see what you'll see when you open the Blackboard assignment. At the top we have the link to the Quizlet account for this class as well as the assignment guidelines. And this is really important to pay attention to because I grade these assignments with a rubric. And so you receive points for meeting each one of these guidelines. So if you only, complete 2 out of the 3 options, you are going to lose out on some points. And then also, if you do not include your Quizlet username or join the class, I will not be able to see your work or give you a grade. Because a lot of you don't use your first and last name as your Quizlet username, and that is perfectly fine. But when I scroll through to start looking for grades in Quizlet, and I'm looking for a Sarah Jones, and there are no Sarah Jones listed in, I don't know automatically, what username she would have chosen. But if you include that in the comment, I can find you no problem and assign you your grade. So we're going to start off right on the top here and choose the Quizlet link, and that'll open up the Quizlet class in Quizlet itself. And so hopefully you've already got a Quizlet account, you're logged in. If not, it's free to make one of those. And you'll be able to see all of the different Quizlet sets I have in that class. So I suggest starting out with the first attempt. And the reason that there is original and a second attempt here is if you don't have the paid version of Quizlet, which is completely fine, and you don't pass the test with the 80% the first time, you can go back and use the second attempt without having to purchase a paid membership. So let's look at the requirements here. It says study using the Learn option or the flashcards, take the test, which is you're going to select 50 questions, multiple choice, and pass with the 80%. Then you're going to come back to Blackboard and comment complete and include that Quizlet username. So just 3 requirements. And so when you open up the glossary here, you can see right here on the top, it's super easy to navigate. You've got the Learn option or the flashcards. You receive credit for doing any of these. I just need to know that you have went in and worked with these flashcards. And so the Learn option is, I feel like, most similar to the test. It gives you the definition. You have a multiple choice. And then if you don't know it, you're still able to click through and it'll show you the answers. So you're still learning throughout the process. Or you've got the kind of OG version flashcards, and you can just go through here, flip through those. Once you've spent a good amount of time going through these flashcards, making yourself familiar with the terms, and you can also go right here and scroll through all of the terms, and it shows what you have studied, what you haven't studied. We'll go to the test. Once you select the test, you're going to choose 50 terms, just like it said. We're going to answer with the term and multiple choice. You'll start the test. You'll go through, answer all of those, and if you've made it 80%, great. We're going to go back to Blackboard, finish that last requirement of commenting complete with your username. If not, you're going to move to that second attempt and start working on the flashcards there, as well as re-attempting the test. So let's say we've finished up, we've passed with 80%, we've completed everything in Blackboard. But what if we need these flashcards down the road and you don't have access now to the link in Blackboard? What you're going to do is once you finish up, and mind you, this is after you've completed the assignment in the class, we're going to go over here and click Save and Edit. And what this does is allows you to copy this entire set of 504 terms to your own Quizlet account. So when you hit this Create button, this now belongs to you. This is my original Quizlet account. I've had this since I was in mortuary school. I still have all of my Quizlet terms from way back when. But now when you go to study for your national board or your board prep classes, you've got the Quizlet account are the Quizlet terms for each of those classes, and you don't have to go and search for each of those classes individually. They now all belong to you and you have them in one place. It's a great way to, review and practice before going and taking your national boards. I hope this answers all of your questions. If you have any issues navigating the assignment, please reach out before the due date, and I will do my best to walk you through it.